Hey y'all, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn a dance to Manchild by Sabrina Carpenter. This choreography is pulled from the music video. It is also trending on social media. It's super fun. It's not my choreography, just my interpretation. We're going to break down the moves step by step. We're going to use a lot of repetition, and we're going to have a lot of fun. Please note, this video is the tutorial only where we're going to break down the steps. When you're ready to try it with music, it's in a separate video that's linked down in the video description or up here in this card. So go check out that other video when you're ready to practice with music, or if you just want to see what this dance looks like with music. All right, let's have some fun. Here we go. We really only have 3 8 counts of choreography to learn, and then the 4th one, you're gonna be on your own for whatever you wanna do. But let's get started with our first 8 count. You're gonna start with that right foot and you're gonna touch it somewhere in the front, then to the side, and then somewhere back behind you. You can cross it in front and cross it behind, or if you just want to touch in front and touch back. Choose your adventure. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, then you're gonna step together on 4. I've seen people clap here, whatever you wanna do. Try that. 5, 6, touch to the front. Go 1, 2, 3 together. 4, from here you're gonna make sure you put all your weight on that right foot because we're gonna take off to the left. You're gonna step 5 together, 6, 7, and then you're gonna wanna touch your right foot on 8 so that you don't put your weight on it. So again, you're going left, together, left, touch. Adding your arms with that, you're gonna take your right arm in front, your left arm up, and we're just shaking it as we go. Left, together, left, touch. Yeah, again, the counts on this are 5, 6, 7, touch, 8. Yeah, so that's our first 8 count down. So you're starting with touch, 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 together, then left, together, left, and touch. Great job. I'll count you in. Right foot touches to the front. 5, 6, touch your right foot. Go 1, 2, 3 together, 4 step, left, together, left, and touch. Yeah, one more time, a little faster. Here we go. 5, 6, touch your right foot. Go 1, 2, 3, step left, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. You're doing amazing. Remember, this is a recorded tutorial. You can pause it whenever you need to, practice the steps. When you're ready to jump back into the choreography, here's our second 8 count. We finished with that right foot in a touch or a dig. This is just the footwork. You're gonna rock to the corner. So you're gonna step on your right foot, then rock back to your left foot. Then I'm gonna step on my right and then step on my left. And I'm turning to this right wall here. So the counts there are 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can count it, or you can say the steps, right, left, right, left. Adding your arms, on the count of 1, you're just gonna slide your hands whichever direction you want to and clap on 1. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's really the only arm work you do is that clap. Again, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, 6, 7, 8, you're just gonna shake your hips and work your hands up. Now, I've seen the hands just come up to about here. I've seen the hands go all the way up. I've seen the hands go all the way up and clap on the count of 8. If you're moving, you're doing it right, whatever you wanna do. So you're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, taking the arms up as high as you want. So this second 8 count, you're stepping across on your right, 1, 2, turn, 3, 4, shake, 5, 6, 7, 8. And your hips are just moving side to side in whatever way feels best to you. Sitting into one leg. I've seen people kind of stepping with it. You can't mess it up. It's a TikTok dance, y'all. Try that second 8 count. We're gonna go on 1. 5, 6, step across on 1, 2, right, 3, left, 4, shake, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Going back to the top. So we're gonna touch on 1, putting our first 2 8 counts together. 5, 6, touch your right foot on 1, 2, 3 together, 4, step left, together, touch, then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, shake, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Our third 8 count. We finished facing this way, but I'm gonna show you this way just so you can see what's happening. We're gonna jump to the front on and 1, 2, hold 2, and then you're gonna jump to the back on and 3, 4. So I'm just taking little steps, right, left, front and back, right, left. And I'm gonna take my hands and swing them up, and then I'm gonna snap, and then I'm gonna swing them back, and I'm gonna snap. So we're gonna go, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Try it, 5, 6. We jump to the front, right, left, and you can kind of shake with that as well. But you're facing this way, so you're really going to this right wall and then back to the left wall. 5, 6, 7 to the front, right, left, then back. One more time, 6, 7, take it front, right, left. From here, I'm gonna step right, left one more time, and I'm gonna take it to the back. So I'm gonna go right, left, and then I'm gonna do a 3-step turn to the front. You're gonna step left, right, left. It's gonna look like this, left, right, left, to unwind you back to the front. So you're moving to the front, you're taking 3 steps, left, right, left. Woo. But you're gonna step back on and 1, and that's kind of like prepping you into this turn. And 1, 2, 3, 4 to spin you all the way around. Or do whatever feels best to you there. So again, I'm gonna step out right, left, touching that left foot out, so then I'm ready to turn to the front. 2, 3, 4. And you're just gonna whip yourself around. You should be turning to your left, towards your left shoulder. Yeah, that's on 5, 6, 7, 8 actually, because this was and 1, 2, and 3, then you step back, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, try that third 8 count. So we're going to the front. 5, 6, 7, shake it front, and 1, snap 2, and 3, take it back, and 5, turn 6, 7, 8. Yeah, try that one more time. 5, 6, shake it to the front, and 1, 2, and 3, step back, and 5, turn left, right, left. Fantastic. Let's go back to the top and put all 3 8 counts together. We're gonna touch that right foot to the front. Nice and slow for our brains. 5, 6, touch your right foot to the front, side, back together, step to your left, together, left, touch your right to the corner, right, left, turn right, left, shake, 5, 6, 7, front, right, left, and snap, right, left, take it back, right, left, turn to the front. Let's do that one more time a little bit faster. So we're starting with the right foot touching. Here we go. 5, 6, touch your right foot. Go 1, 2, 3 together, 4, step left. 6, 7 to the corner. 1, 2, turn 3, 4, shake 5, 6, 7, 8 front, 2 back, 3 to the back, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Fantastic. For our fourth 8 count, you're really on your own. You can just stand there. You can do whatever you want, improv it out. I'm pulling what I'm gonna do from a live performance of this that I saw. So after we turn 5, 6, 7, 8, some of the dancers did like this little lasso motion. So the right arm is lassoing overhead, and you're just kind of stepping and rocking your hips with it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then they say, hey men. So this is amen, and then hey men, or you can wave with this hand, or you can do whatever you want to. So again, I'm gonna do 2 of these on 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I think you wave on 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is it. Yay! So out of that turn, so this is your third 8 count, and 5, 6, 7, you do whatever you want, but I'm gonna go lasso and wave. Fantastic job. We're gonna put all 4 8 counts together. Remember that fourth 8 count is really whatever you want it to be. I'm gonna do the little lasso, add it on there, but we're gonna start from the top, touching that right foot. We're gonna go super duper slow, and then each time we'll get a little bit faster. Are you ready? You're ready. Here we go. Touch that right foot in front. 5, 6, touch your right foot. Go 1, 2, 3 together. 4 step left. 5, 6, 7, touch. 8 corner. 1, 2, turn. 3, 4, shake. 5, 6, 7, then jump forward. 1 snap, 2 back. 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, then you freestyle or improv, whatever you want. I think the hey man is actually on and 5, 6, 7, 8. So you really only have to freestyle 4 counts and then you can wave and be done. Great job. All right, again, we're gonna go a little bit faster. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 5, 6, touch your right foot. Go 1, 2, 3 to the left. 5, 6, 7 to the corner. 1, 2, 3, shake it up. 5, 6, 7, front and back. 2, 3, take it to the back. 5, turn. 6, 7, freestyle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. We're gonna do it one more time here together. The fastest time we'll try it. Remember, if you're moving, you're doing it right. This is just to get us up and moving and having fun. Let's go for it. One last time. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 5, 6, touch your right foot. Go 1, 2, 3 to the left. 5, 6, 7 to the corner. 1, 2, 3, shake it up. 5, 6, 7 to the front. Now back to the back of the room. Turn. Then we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey man. Yeah. Great job. And that was our tutorial. You did an amazing job today. Thank you so much for joining me. Remember, when you're ready to practice this with music, it's in a separate video. It's linked down in the video description, so go check that out when you're ready to practice with music. If you enjoyed this and you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. Thank you again for joining me. I had so much fun dancing with you. I hope you have an incredible rest of your day. I hope that you'll be kind to yourself and kind to others. And I hope you'll come back and dance with me again in a future tutorial. Bye y'all.